Hey guys, really quick. So this is going to be a what's on my nails video real quick. Y'all know I try to make my what's on my nails videos as quick as possible sometimes. So since I don't have my co-host with me, it should go like really quick. Okay, so I went to go get my nails done. A lot of y'all might not know, but I only go get my nails done once a month, typically because I pay a lot of money to get my nails done, and she only getting her nails done once a month. And because they do such good work, I only need to go get my nails done once a month. So I showed her a picture. I'm going to put that picture here. And I showed her that's what I wanted. I wanted her to recreate that style. She could put her spin on it if she liked, but that was what I wanted. And that is what she did. So here's my nails. Focus. Hopefully it'll focus. There you go. So what we did was, this one is like the silver and gold foil. Then we did glitter on this nail. And then I went for something kind of tribal and marble type, and I thought that was really cute. And then we went for something just, I don't even know what this is, but we just went for some type of triangle look. And then we kept the thumb really simple. I did get them in a almond shape. I'm just really feeling almond shaped nails as of lately. I think they're really cute. But yeah, I just let her do her own thing on them, and she always comes through with the nails, her and Anna, so I knew they were going to turn out great. So shout out to my nail tech, Tiffany. So I'm finna get out of here. I told you I was going to be really quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this what's on my nail video. I will see you guys next month with another what's on my nails video. Until then, remember, if nobody told you you're beautiful, remember, simply kiss. I was going to tell you beautiful because you simply are. Bye.